To install the rack, all you will need is a 5mm Allen key and 4 bolts that should have came with the bike. These bolts can be located in the accessory box that comes with the bike. And if you can't find the bolts, please contact QuietKat customer service and we'll get them out to you. To install the rack, first locate the braze-ons on the seat stay and line up your rack with those braze-ons. I recommend just loosely putting on the first 4 bolts just to hold it in place. Let's get those on. Sometimes the rack needs to be bent just a little bit one direction or the next, which is fine. And use your 5mm Allen key to tighten those up. Now you have a rack. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to visit us at www.QuietKat.com and welcome to the QuietKat family.